So my dad got a new phone from Noon. Noon is a popular shopping site in Saudi Arabia, and it's a Motorola 5G. Yes, Motorola Moto G 5G. And no, not the Plus. It's just a Moto G 5G, Saudi Arabian version, of course. And it's been a long time since we got a Motorola phone. Motorola like really advanced from 2017, but yeah, this is our first 5G phone that I'm unboxing right now, and here's the phone. It's really beautiful, and I also got a hard time getting it out because it was literally stuck to the box. And it came with a case. Yes, a case, you iPhone users. Yeah, we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna see the contents of the box. So let's remove the upper thingy and we're gonna see the charger. It came with a 3-point charger. I've had a hard time getting it out, but I got it out. And we got a USB Type-C cable, really good, fast charging, and an earphone. And yes, that's all. There was a manual, but yeah, that's all in the box. What else could I need? And we're gonna peel off the sticker, satisfactory, and we're gonna turn it on for the first time. Now time to brag about the specs. It has 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and a Snapdragon 750G processor. Yes, this is perfect for COD Mobile. And a 48 megapixel rear camera and a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and of course 5G because it was released in 2020, and it has a fingerprint. Anyways, we're gonna do a Wi-Fi test on this 5G phone, and looks like it's reaching about 40 megabytes per second, which is really fast in my opinion. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. It was short, but I'm not a tech reviewer. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.